For the fourth consecutive days, above 50 plus positive cases were reported in Goa in last 4 days. According to media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 27 June 2020, 89 cases were reported positive in the state. On 28 June 2020, 70 positive cases were reported in the state. On 29 June 2020, 53 positive cases were reported in the state. On 30th June 2020, 64 positive cases were reported in the state, as per the media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services. Active cases in the state till 30th June 2020 are 716. Recovered cases are 596. A 64-year-old man who was tested positive 4 days back due to COVID infection succumbed to the virus on Tuesday evening at COVID Hospital, Margao. The sad person was from Talegaon and was admitted in the hospital after he had difficulty in breathing. This is the fourth death case reported in the state due to COVID infection. One of the Goa MLA was reported positive on 30th June 2020. CM on 1st July 2020 said that his condition is stable and he is asymptomatic. CM also informed that all the people who are in contact with the MLA will be tested in order to curb the further spread. Following is the breakup of total 716 active positive cases. Travelled by road, train, flight 107, Mangur Hill 255, Link to Mangur Hill 217, Kurtorim 21, Margao 12, Link to Ambalam 23, Guapam 6, Lutolim 11, Indiranagar Chimbal 10, Navilim 2, Ganganagar Mapsa 6, Sakre 27, Sar Bicholim 4, Kanakana 6, Nashnola 1, Purvarim 2, Wadem Vasco 1, Kundaim 1, isolated cases in Pilar 1, isolated cases in Verna 1, isolated case in Sangam 1, isolated case in Pirna Mapsa 1. Cases in major locations: cases in Sada 62, cases in Baina 41, cases in Kurtorim 31, cases in New Wadem 29, cases in Chimbal 27, cases in Zuarinagar 24, cases in Mollam 22. This is according to the media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 30th June 2020. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and never miss any update.